Hey guys, Matt from Wood Wheaton Supercentre. I'm here at our second shop where we're installing some shadow shield on a brand new ride. Now for those of you who don't know what shadow shield is, it's a little film that we can put over the front bumper, mirror caps, roofs, really wherever you want to on your vehicle, so long as it adheres properly and protects you from stone chips, bugs, and other things that's going to mess your vehicle's paint up. So we're going to show you guys start to finish exactly how we install these on our rides.